Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Revoke the license issued for mining in the Cockpit country. That request this evening from the opposition PNP to the government following a recent tour of the area. The opposition leader claims that workers are in support of the PNP's position that no mining should take place in the Cockpit country. The government has insisted, however, that no license has been granted for mining outside the set boundaries. We have details in this report. At a crossroads, to mine or not to mine in the Cockpit country. Now the issue is set to take on a political tone as opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips toured the area. At one point, there was an intercessory prayer on his behalf, an intense moment for deliverance as some believe divine intervention was needed. The opposition made its stance clear.
There should be no mining in the Cockpit country.
Opposition Senator Sophia Fraser-Binns dubbed the tour a listening session to arrive at a solution based on the views of all stakeholders. That would no doubt involve the bauxite company, but Dr. Phillips insists that the company's mining license should be revoked.
The special mining license issued in March of this year needs to be rescinded now until we can all have the benefit of an environmental impact study. That was the assumption that should be taken, and that's our insistence.
There are lingering concerns about the impact on the environment. At the moment, parts of the Cockpit country are lush green. Other sections show the effects of mining. The government claims the interest of all stakeholders will be considered. For the opposition, they claim the workers are on their side, although some could be unemployed if no mining takes place.
Everyone, including bauxite workers, agrees with that position. The Cockpit country is an essential part of our national heritage, our ecological heritage, our social heritage, our cultural heritage, and must be protected.
Much has been said about an environmental impact assessment study. Mining boundaries were established. The opposition suggested that the study was flawed.
The voice of the citizens must be heard, and that they need to be an important part of this process that defines the Cockpit country. And you can't just do it from Kingston without taking account of the views of the people in the communities who have emotionally and psychologically considered themselves throughout history to be part of the Cockpit country.
Several trucks are now parked. A decision is yet to be taken as the government considers its next move.